Sharing lang po tayo ng exercise natin ngayong gabi. We have 4 exercises at ginawa ko po siyang 5 sets, 20 reps. Pero kung beginner ka po at nag-umpisa pa lang, 3 sets po is okay na. So our first exercise is arm raiser. This is good for the triceps at sa mga lawlaw na braso natin. Ayun, maganda siya. So, panoorin niyo na lang po lahat ng video. Ang second naman ay tinatawag nating Y stretch. This is for the collarbone para maging prominent po. Ayan, para maging sexy ang natin at makita yung collarbone natin. Ayun, di ba? Share lang naman, guys. Ang third exercise natin is high pull downs. This is good for the back and also for the shoulder. Ayun po. Ang last natin exercise is shoulder exercise.